Dr. Parker, Cletus's big little brother, or little big brother. The Hellcat guy, the HOA guy, here to cause problems. Parker Mitchell, it's your time to shine, brother. For Parker Mitchell in the Hellcat. Whipple charge, ready to rip.
You know, we were doing a little thing today. How fast could you change a tire on a Hellcat? And our boy Mike Long swapped a tire in 27 seconds. So we got a Boxo 10mm rescue kit for him. Meet me in the pits, brother. Congrats, you are a tire changing machine. Shout out to the Hellcat guys. What'd you think? Is this thing rip or what?
Well, there you have it. We have a winner of some Boxo tools because he did a good job at changing tires.
Not bad, right? Popped one tire. So both belts left the chat. Not only did both belts left the chat, but the crank pulley fell off. So I'm hoping the crank is salvageable, because if it's not, we gotta pull the whole engine. Look at it. You can actually see it down in there. See it just resting right there? That big old billet piece?
Yep.
That's not supposed to be there.
Sent it a little too hard. What's all this brown stuff up here?
Oh, just water.
It's just the water from the tank. Well, you all right?
Look at this, brother. Man, that's hot. Yeah, I got gloves.
Oh no.
So I get some pushing it? Now you see, that's supposed to be attached to the front of the crank, and all of these bolts sheared off in the crank. So as long as we can retrieve each one of those, we'll be okay, but that's gonna be a pain in the butt, to say the least.
And if we're welding done on them, they're on the surface.
We'll see. Because if we can't salvage it from outside, we gotta pull the whole engine. It did pretty good. Like, popped one tire, broke both belts. You know, you can tell, like, I was ripping it in third and fourth pretty good. And then it just, all the power is gone. And so I was still able to do a burnout in second gear for a little bit. Car was ripping in fourth pretty good, and then it lost all its power when the crank pulley came off of the belts. So, you know, obviously we're gonna lose all our power there. And, you know, the temps were at like 250, and it was like, I called it. The car didn't have any power to do any further burnout, but hey, at least we know what to fix now, and it's really not that big of a deal as long as you don't have to pull the engine, which would be a pain in the butt, but hey, that's racing, I guess, right? Oh, it's bulging. Dang, I bet another 10 seconds that thing would have popped. Hey, brother, we need to change both these real quick.
27 seconds,
27
man.
seconds.
I could do
Congrats,
it.
Man.
Thank you.
All right, well, this is the winner of Fastest tire change on the Hellcat, 27 seconds from start to finish.
Not bad, right?
Crushed it. Yeah, you smoked everybody else. So we got to swap these rear tires. Good to see you on the trailer. Head home. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.